PowerPoint can eat your time, but it doesn't have to. Today I'll show you 10 hacks that will save you hours. First, control and drag. Duplicate anything in seconds. Hold Control and drag. Add Shift to keep it straight. Second, Control and D. Duplicate objects evenly. Once you place the first duplicate, every next one will keep the same spacing. Third, Format Painter. Copy style from one object and paste it to another. Double-click the Format Painter icon to keep it active. Fast, clean, done. 4. Align and distribute. Select everything, go to the Format tab, expand Align, and choose the function you need. For perfect spacing, use Distribute. 5. Slide Master. In the View tab, open Slide Master. Any change you make here applies to every slide using that layout. A total time saver. Six. Remove background. Cut out images without Photoshop. Select a picture, go to the Picture Format tab, choose Remove Background and adjust. With good quality pictures, it's smooth and easy. 7. Eyedropper. Match colors instantly. Insert a shape, go to Fill Shape, select Eyedropper and click on any color you want to use. 8. Compress pictures. Presentation file too big? Select a picture, go to the Picture Format tab, choose Compress Pictures and adjust. 9. Guides. Go to the View tab, turn on Guides and use dotted lines to align everything. To add a new guide, drag one while holding Control. 10. Photo album. Insert multiple pictures in just a few clicks. Go to Insert, Photo Album, choose your files, and adjust. PowerPoint creates a new presentation with pictures aligned automatically. Want to make better presentations faster? Subscribe for more.